Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mostly beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today's going to be another purchase or pass video. We're going to look over some of the new beauty products that's at Sephora and Ulta and just see if that's something we might be interested in. If you guys have picked up any of these products already that I'm going over, go ahead and comment down below. Let us know what you think about them. Should we get them or not? First item is the Give by Gwen Stefani. I love her brand, by the way. Everything I've tried from her so far has been a yes for me. So she has the Check My Glow multi-dimensional illuminating talc-free highlighter. This highlighter does come in 3 different shades and it retails for $30 at Sephora, and it looks really pretty, you guys. I would be interested in the darkest color, which is Carrot Country. It's described as an illuminating golden bronze. I really like these little, they remind you of the little shimmer bricks, and I like the fact that you can sort of pick out of the brick. You can sort of pinpoint and use the colors separately, or you can swirl your brush all together to get the pigment. So this is a maybe. I'm not really in the market for a new highlighter, but it seems really interesting and I've heard great reviews on them. Dior has a new eyebrow pencil, y'all. It's the Dior Show Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil. So it looks like it comes in 6 different shades. It has some blonde shades, some brown shades, all the way to black. So this is interesting. I might be picking this up just because I'm super curious. It retails for $34 at Sephora. Gwen Stefani has another new product at Sephora. So this is the Pick It Up Cream Contour and Talc-Free Powder Bronzer Duo. It comes in 5 different shades. I'm not sure if I'll pick this up now, but I'm definitely interested. I just have so many contour products right now. It might be a save for later, or maybe pick up at the sale, because this is super interesting to me. Pharmacy has a new cleansing balm. I'm a fan of cleansing balms, y'all. So it's a strawberry shortcake clean makeup melt away cleansing balm. Because of the strawberry in there, I would be a little bit afraid. I don't have super sensitive skin, but oftentimes when a skincare product has a bold fragrance to it, it can kind of turn me off, but I'm not sure because I haven't smelled it yet. It might be something that I like. I'm not sure. So next time I go to Sephora, I'm definitely going to pick this up, smell it, and see if I can at least get a sample. So comment down below if you've tried this strawberry shortcake cleansing balm, or have you tried any products from Pharmacy in general. Charlotte Tilbury has a mini glossy pink lip gloss and liner set. I'm very much a fan of the Charlotte Tilbury sets that come with like a lip pencil and either a lipstick or gloss. So she has some new shades. This one comes in 2 different shades. One is in the nude pink shade, which is really light, and then the other one is in fresh pink. So these are both on like the super soft light pink spectrums. I recently picked up a couple of the lip kits from Charlotte Tilbury, so this one I might save for the winter sale. Sol de Janeiro has a new trio. It's a body cream trio that comes with 3 different body creams, and I've actually heard amazing things about this body cream. I heard they're really good. The trio retails for $38 at Sephora. One of them is supposed to be a pistachio and salted caramel scent. The other one is a black amber, plum, and vanilla wood scent. That one sounds interesting. And then the other one is a Brazilian jasmine and pink dragon fruit scent. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried these Rio de Janeiro creams before. I tested maybe 1 or 2 of the sprays out in the store, and for me it was giving along the lines of like Bath and Body Works spray. I purchased it with the sale, and before I left this, it was like a blind buy, and before I left the store I had just returned it because, like I said, it was giving Bath and Body Works. Not that I don't like Bath and Body Works, but I guess expected a little bit more luxe. I'm not sure because I'm not really too familiar with the brand. So comment down below, let me know, what do you think about those Rio de Janeiro sprays and lotions? Do you recommend them? Summer Fridays has a new blush balm lip and cheek stick. it has hyaluronic acid in it. So these sticks come in 4 different shades. Looks like they have like a bronzy shade, like a caramel looking bronzy shade. They have like a pinky shade. It almost reminds you of Perfect Pink from the Makeup by Mario blush. They have look like a mauve shade, like a neutral mauve tone, and then they have a red shade. So I'm thinking this is a stick that you could use on, obviously on your cheeks and apply it on your lips, which I'm a fan of matching your cheek color to your lip color. So this one's a maybe. I'm assuming that it's sheer because it's Summer Fridays, and Summer Fridays products, makeup products, tend to be on the sheerer side. Supernatural, I'm a fan. Fenty has a set out. This is the Fenty Skin Pore Essentials Mini Face Set that comes with a toner and a face mask. Now, one of the socialites did highly recommend their skin products to us like a week or so ago, and she actually emailed me some pictures, some before and after pictures of before she was using the Fenty Skin and after. When I tell you 0 to 100 real quick, her skin looks great. It came a long way. So I'm super interested, and I like getting the mini sets because they come at a good price and you're able to really give it a good wear and really try the products out before you commit to a full size. So this duo retails for $26 at Sephora. Kilian has a new fragrance out. It's at Sephora. It's called I Don't Need a Prince by My Side to Be a Princess. Oh, Freshy, I think I'm pronouncing it right. Now, I do own the regular version of this, the I Don't Need a Prince by My Side to Be a Princess. Most people call it Princess from Kilian. I do have the regular one, and it is beautiful. So this one's described as a fresh solar with bergamot, green tea, and marshmallow. Okay, so this is a flanker of the original. The other one is not a fresh scent. It's a little bit more of a moodier, deeper, sweet scent. So I'm curious to see what it's given. I don't know if I'll get this one because I need to slow down on fragrances. It retails for $120 at Sephora, but next time I go in the store, I'll at least test it out, you guys, and get a review out, like maybe a wear test from the store. Givenchy has a new setting powder. Now, it's their regular Prism Libre loose setting powder. They have it in a pink shade. I feel like everybody with a loose setting powder is coming out with that light pink shade right now. And so they have it in the mini size for $29. So that's interesting. I recently picked up the Patrick Star version, the one size of the pink one, and I do like it, you guys. It's giving different. It looks a little bit more natural than you would probably think. I've tried the Givenchy powder before, and it was a little bit dry on my skin, but I'm still interested in trying this. So this one's a strong maybe. The Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I know you guys are probably like, what? You've done a review on this already. And I was trying to figure it out, like, why is this back on the site as new, but they've reformulated it and they've added new colors. So I'm super interested. Comment down below and let me know if y'all want to see a review on this one. So the finish of it is beautiful. This is the new formulation, so I'm not sure what it's given. If I get enough comments down below, I'm gonna pick this up like ASAP, get a review out for you guys, because I feel like a lot of you will be interested in this. Probably gonna be a yes. Huda Beauty has a lip blush cream lip and cheek stain. So another lip and cheek product. It retails for $25 at Sephora, and it comes in 5 different shades. I don't know if I'm gonna pick this one up because I've seen a few reviews and try-ons of it, and it just really didn't spark my interest from what I've seen. So I think I might pass on this one. NARS has a light reflecting under eye brightener, you guys. It comes in 5 different colors, retails for $34 at Sephora. Now, the shade that probably will work best for me is Magic Hour, which is a medium deep. It has like more of a peachy orangish light, but not too much in there undertone. It's almost as if a color corrector was mixed with a cream concealer. That's what it's given. So I tested it out in the store last week, and although I can really appreciate the product, it's not a product for me, meaning I don't feel like I have like dark pigmentation under my eyes to where it will work for me. So when I tested it, I could see more of the orange, but the product doesn't have too much orange in it, so don't get it confused. So if you have dark under eye circles, a little darker, purplish, or just any sort of darkness under there. It doesn't even have to be a lot of darkness, but I really don't have darkness at all under eyes, so it didn't work for me. But if you have dark under eyes, this might be the perfect product for you because it's not too much orange to where you feel like you're trying to camouflage it. It's just enough to neutralize it out. I might even pick this up for my clients. I'm not sure because I liked the way the product felt. I liked the way it glided on my skin, and I loved the color. I just didn't need it. Fenty Skin has another new product. It's the Cherry Dub Superfine Daily Cleansing Face Scrub. So it's like a cherry scented face scrub that has cherry extracts in it, and it retails for $28. It may be because I'm really trying to narrow down what in Fenty Skin that I want to pick up, because I definitely want to get something from Fenty Skin. So this one's a strong maybe. Like I said, when these products are scented like this with the strawberry and the fruits and the watermelons, I'm a little on the fence about it, but this one's still a maybe. So it looks like they also have the body scrub from that Fenty Skin cleanser as well, the Cherry Dub Triple Action AHA Body Scrub. Tom Ford has a new highlighter out, you guys. It's a limited edition highlighter. I'm not gonna lie, it looks absolutely beautiful on the website. They have 2 shades to choose from. Retails for $95. So $95 for a highlighter for me is way out of my comfort zone, not even gonna lie, especially since I have so many highlighters that I struggle to go through. And to be honest with Tom Ford, no shade, but I'm not sure, like a lot of their products that I use is just giving, it should have cost $40 or $50. Like, I'm not even gonna lie about that. I've just been underwhelmed with their makeup products that I've gotten before, so I'm most likely gonna pass on this, but they look really, really pretty. Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Cream Bronzer. I don't know if this is another reformulation, like how the Dior Face and Body is reformulated, because I have this, y'all, and when I first saw it on the website, I'm like, I have this. Mine is in the color 310. I'm actually wearing it today. So comment down below if you know what's going on with the Charlotte Tilbury Cream Bronzer. Maybe it's a reformulation, but it comes in 4 shades, which are the same 4 shades that they had previously. So I don't know. It's maybe reformulated. Dior has a new eye kohl. It's like a black eye pencil. Definitely interested in that. It's probably going to be a yes for me. And Danessa Myricks, y'all, has launched a new Yummy Skin Soothing Serum Skin Tint Foundation. This may be another reformulation from the original. So it launched today for Rouge members, and it launches tomorrow for everybody else. So I've already ordered it, you guys. It comes in a ton of different shades. Hopefully the shade I got will work, and I'm gonna have a review up ASAP. Okay, let's move on and see what's new at Ulta. So Ulta has a luminous setting spray that's out. Now this is different from the setting spray in the gold can that I just did the review on, you guys. This one's in a white bottle, and it's supposed to be more luminous. It's not an aerosol can, it's one of those sprays. So it's supposed to hydrate and have coconut water and apple extract in it, as well as glycerin. Because I just picked that one up and I have a couple of others, this one is going to probably be when they have the sale or just save for later. Now the new Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Mist that I recently did the review on, it also comes in a mini size, y'all. I didn't know that. If I'd have known that, I'd have got the small one instead of the big can, but that one retails for $14. I think the big one retails for $20. Juvia's Place has a new eyeshadow palette. It's the Culture 2 eyeshadow palette that's super colorful. You guys know I've recently fallen in love with Juvia's Place eyeshadow, so I know it's giving pigment for days. You can barely tap on their shadows and it's just tons of pigment, which I love. I don't tend to wear a lot of different colors like that with eyeshadow, so I'm probably gonna pass, but you guys might be interested in this if you're somebody that wears colorful eyeshadow looks. Juvia's Place also has some new liquid luminizers. Okay, it's the Nubian Glow Liquid Luminizer. It retails for $18 at Ulta. Comes in 5 different shades. This looks really pretty. I'll probably pop into Ulta today and maybe get some swatches for you guys, and this one will be a maybe. me. So that's about it from Ulta. I see like a ton of eyeshadow palettes, you guys. So comment down below if there's something new that you got from Ulta that you recommend we try out. So that's it for this purchase or past video. Comment down below and let me know what products you're interested in getting. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars.